Hi friends, on continuation of chapter number 8, that is D and F block element. In today's session we'll start with the F block element, the inner transition elements. The elements in which the last electron enter into this antipenneptimal shell, that is called F shell, are called F block element. They include the lanthanides of the 6th period and the actinides of the 7th period. They are also called as inner transition elements. Since lanthanium, that is La, denoted by La, closely resembles the lanthanides and it include along with them. Similarly, actinium, that is Ac, denoted by Ac, is include along with these actinoids. Because of this, it's closer resemble with them. What are the main characteristics? In inner transition element, the third last shell is filled with this electron. The inner transition element forms colored ion. The inner transition element shows the variable valencies. Actinides are mostly radioactive in nature. The inner transition elements beyond atomic number 92 to up to 103 are synthetic as well as radioactive. They are not found in nature in the earth crust. So these are the main characteristics. Now general electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of inner transition elements are 4f 1 to 14, 5p6, 5d 0 to 1, 6s2 for the lanthanium, beginning at the cerium and ending with the lutetium, and 5f 1 to 14, 6s2, 6p6, 6d 0 to 1, 7s2, that is called as actinoids, beginning with this thorium and ending with the lawrencium. So this is all about your electronic configuration. So this is all about your F block elements, that is 4f and 5f. After lanthanium and with lutetium, we start with actinium and that is lawrencium. Now because of the similar outermost shell electronic configuration and the energies of f orbital electron, the lanthanoids as well as the actinoids are expressed to give the state 3 without the expectations. All the elements in this series would have the similar properties because the same in size and outermost shell electronic configuration, making their separation from one another is really very tedious. It is really very difficult to separate out once they are mixed with each other. On account of the similar outermost shell electronic configuration of f orbitals, the lanthanides and actinides are expected to give oxidation state is +3. So common oxidation state for lanthanium as well as the actinium series are known as +3 without exceptions. Exceptions are always there. All the elements in a series have the similar properties due to the same size, similar outermost shell electronic configuration, making their separation from each other are rather really very difficult. So this is all about your electronic configuration. So first we discuss lanthanide species, and once we complete lanthanide species, we'll move on to this actinide. So let's start lanthanides. So let's start with the lanthanoids. The 14 elements after the lanthanium of the 6th period are called lanthanoids or lanthanide series. They included elements of cerium to lutetium are generally represented as Ln. Commonly it's denoted by Ln just because lanthanides. So हम बहुत सारी जगह पे Ln+3, Ln+2, Ln ऐसा लिखेंगे, means पूरा lanthanide series. Now most important one mark equation, lanthanide contraction. In lanthanides, the atomic and ionic radii decreases regularly from this lanthanium to lutetium. This is regular decreases in atomic radii and ionic radii along is called lanthanide contraction. Now what actually means by lanthanide contraction? Lanthanide contraction is all about 4f filling first to 5d. 5d fill होने से पहले 4f fill up हो जाता है, and due to this atomic and ionic radii are almost same in case of lanthanium and actinium species. The reason Lanthanide as atomic number increases, the nuclear charge increases one by one, and the electron are added into this anti-penetrable shell that is called as F shell. Due to its diffuse shape, F orbital have poor shielding effect. So the nucleus can attract the outermost electron strongly, and as a result, radii decreases. So due to this lanthanide contraction, second and third row transition elements have the similar radii. जो एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल करके लिखा हुआ है, डायरेक्टली आस्क बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है. ZR that is 160 picometer and HF that is 159 picometer. Though both are in different periods, then after they have a same radii. देखिए 160 picometer and 159 picometer. अगर आप पीरियोडिक टेबल में देखोगे तो ZR and HF दोनों अलग अलग सीरीज में है. Then after they have a similar radii. Lanthanides having the similar physical properties and they occur together in nature, so their isolation is difficult. The basic characteristics of their hydroxide decreases from lanthanum to lutetium, that is LaOH thrice is more basic than LuOH thrice. That is one marker question asked in board examination. LaOH thrice is more basic than LuOH thrice. Next we move on to this most important part, that is oxidation number. As we already discussed, lanthanide species having +3 oxidation state. So in lanthanoids the most common oxidation state is +3. However, +2 and +4 ions in a solution or the solid compound are also obtained. This irregularity arises once again, यहाँ पे भी वही condition है जैसे हमने D में देखा था. Either F हाफ फिल्ड होगा, दैट इज F7 होगा, आइदर F0 हो जाएगा, आइदर F14 हो जाएगा. मीन्स आइदर एम्प्टी F शेल, आइदर हाफ फिल्ड F शेल, आइदर फुल फिल्ड F शेल. So this irregularity arises mainly from this extra stability of empty, that is F0, half filled, that is F7, or filled F subcell. Cerium shows the oxidation state +4 due to its noble gas configuration. मीन्स जैसे हमने देखा था स्कैंडियम +3 ही हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे स्कैंडियम +3 करोगे आर्गन कोर हो जाएगा. Likewise, जैसे ही सीरियम के ऊपर +4 कर दोगे, all the 4 electrons from the valence shell is removed and you get noble gas configuration. Likewise, Pr, Nd, Tb and Dy, they also exhibit +4, but only in oxide form, that is MO2. Eu means europium and Yb means ytterbium. +2 oxidation states are there. Just because +2 होते ही यूरोपियम में F7 हो जाएगा एंड यटरबियम में +2 करते ही F14 हो जाएगा. Likewise, SM means samarium shows +2 oxidation state too. So this is all about your once again electronic configuration के हिसाब से ही जाइएगा. F0, F7 या फिर F14 होने की वजह से ये सारी चीज होती है. Now general properties of lanthanoids. जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज के अंदर है all the lanthanoids are silvery white soft metal and tarnishing rapidly in air. Their hardness increases with atomic number. They have typical metallic structure and good conductor of heat and electricity. Most of these lanthanoids ion are colored both in the solid state as well as aqueous state. Color of this ion is due to, once again, D में हमने देखा same, number of unpaired electron increases, intensity increases. But La+3, अब La+3 colorless होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि La+3 करते ही क्या हो जाएगा? नोबल गैस कन्फिगरेशन. Likewise, Lu+3 करते ही आपको मिल जाएगा for F14 fulfill electronic configuration. So that's why they are colorless, just like scandium +3 and Zn+2. The lanthanoids ion other than F0, F0 किस के पास होगा? La+3 and Ce+4. And F14 किसके पास होगा? ytterbium +2 and lutetium +3 are all paramagnetic. Now what actually means by paramagnetic? When you put this species into strong field of magnet, they are attracted by means of magnetism. तो एक्सेप्ट दिस स्पीशीज, सारे के सारे मैग्नेटिक होने का मतलब क्या हुआ? एटलीस्ट वन अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा ये स्पीशीज को छोड़ के. ये स्पीशीज मीन्स La+3, Ce+4, Yb+2 एंड Lu+3. इतनी स्पीशीज को छोड़ के बाकी सारे के सारे स्पीशीज के अंदर एटलीस्ट मिनिमम वन अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, एंड ड्यू टू दिस दे ऑल आर पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. The paramagnetic arises to this maximum in neodymium, just because neodymium के अंदर highest unpaired electron मिलेंगे. The chemical properties, their chemical behavior in this general earlier member of the series are quite reactive, similar to this calcium, but in increase the atomic number, they behave more like aluminium. डिस्कशन करते हैं केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में किस हिसाब से होगा. सो जनरल इक्वेशन क्या बन रहा है? Ln+3 इलेक्ट्रॉन गिव्स Ln सॉलिड. परफेक्ट. दिस आर द जनरल कॉमन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन के हिसाब से इक्वेशन बन रहा है. सो लेंथेनाइड स्पीसीज एट द सेंटर. सबसे पहले हेलोजन के साथ रिएक्शन करोगे तो क्या बनेगा? Ln(x3). सर x3 कहां से आया? देखिए Ln+3 इज कॉमन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स Ln(x3). इसका वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन करोगे तो लेंथेनाइड हाइड्रोक्साइड दैट इज OH थ्राइस बन जाएगा. इसी का रिएक्शन कार्बन के साथ करोगे तो लेंथेनाइड कार्बाइड्स बन जाएगा. इसी का रिएक्शन नाइट्रोजन के साथ करोगे तो Ln+3 N-3 LnN बन जाएगा. सल्फर के साथ करोगे तो Ln2S3 बन जाएगा. ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्शन करोगे बर्न विद द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दैट इज यू गेट Ln2O3. एंड रिएक्शन विद एसिड दैट इज H+ HCl के साथ रिएक्शन करोगे दे लिबरेट H2. सो दिस आर द कॉमन केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ लैंथेनॉइड्स. रिएक्शन विद हेलोजन, रिएक्शन विद वाटर, रिएक्शन विद कार्बन, रिएक्शन विद नाइट्रोजन, सल्फर, ऑक्सीजन एंड विद एसिड. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज और केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ लैंथेनॉइड्स. So the metal combined with the hydrogen when it's gently hit with this gas. Carbides that is Ln3C, Ln2C3 and Lnc2 are formed when the metals are hit with this carbon. They liberate the hydrogen gas in the presence of dilute acids. They burn in a halogen to form halides. The oxides are M2O3 and hydroxides are MOH thrice. Means इसी का discussion कर रहे हैं words में. The hydroxides are definite compounds, not just hydrated oxides. And last, they are basic alkaline earth metal oxides and hydroxides. Last discuss करते हैं their uses. Lanthanide के use क्या है? The main use of lanthanoids is for the production of alloy steel. Most important one marker question. An important alloy is mish metal, which consists of lanthanoid metals approximately 95% and 5% of iron and trace amount of sulfur, carbon, calcium and aluminium. A great deal of mish metal is used in this magnesium based alloy to produce bullets, shell and the lighter flint. Mixed oxide of these lanthanoids are employed as a catalyst in this petroleum cracking. Some of lanthanide oxides are used as a phosphorus in television screen and the similar fluorescent surfaces. So this is all about your lanthanide species. Lanthanide के बाद होगा actinide species. अब actinide species के बारे में डिस्कशन करना बहुत ही इम्पॉसिबल हो जाएगा, जस्ट बिकॉज लैंथेनाइड स्पीशीज के अंदर 90 to 95% स्पीशीज तो रेडियो एक्टिव है. अब रेडियो एक्टिव में भी कुछ ऐसे एलिमेंट है जिसका डीके और T1/2 मींस हाफ लाइफ पीरियड या मिनट्स, आवर्स या फिर दिन में खत्म हो जाता है. तो जिस मेटल की स्टेबिलिटी ही नहीं है मींस T1/2 इज रियली वेरी स्मॉल, तो उसके लिए केमिकल एंड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी डिस्कस करना इट्स रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड 90 to 95% केसेस elements are radioactive in nature, then after it is really very difficult to discuss their physical and chemical properties. So let's start with the actinoid species. The 14 elements after actinium in the 7th period of this modern periodic table are known as actinide species. They include the element from thorium to lawrencium. Most of them are artificially prepared. Most important, artificially prepared means we have to synthesize in chemistry laboratory. Earth crust या फिर naturally occurring species नहीं है and are short-lived. Again, one most important part. They are short-lived elements. They are radioactive also. The element after uranium are artificially prepared and so they are called trans-uranium elements or transuranic elements. Atomic radii and ionic radii, almost lengthened contraction की वजह से atomic and ionic radii तो similar ही है. In actinoid series, the atomic and ionic radii decreases regularly from left to right. As we know, lengthened contraction, likewise actinoid contraction. Oxidation state once again is +3, just like lanthanoids. The elements in the first half of this series having the higher oxidation state. The maximum oxidation state is +4 in case of thorium to +5, +6, +7 respectively with Pa, U and Np. That is plutonium, uranium and neptunium, but decreasing in succeeding elements. The actinoid resembles the lanthanoid having a more compound of +3 state than its +4 state. So this is all about your actinide species. एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस या फिर आप पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं लैंथेनॉइड्स और एक्टिनॉइड्स के बारे में. तो मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूं डिफरेंसेस क्या है लैंथेनॉइड और एक्टिनॉइड में. यू कैन कॉल इट एज डिफरेंस और यू कैन कॉल इट एज अ कंपैरिजन. सो लैंथेनॉइड इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर्स इनटू दिस 4f, इसके अंदर 5f में इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं. देन जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन दोनों की आपको पता है. Then the decrease in atomic size is not regular as decreases size tripositive ion. There is a gradual decreases in atomic and ionic sizes. The principal and common oxidation state is +3. Some of the element having +2 and +4. यहाँ पे उसके अलावा भी varieties available है. That is अभी हमने पढ़ा +4, +5, +6 and +7 is also available. They do not form complexes. They have much greater tendency to form complexes. Their compounds are less basic in nature. Their compounds are more basic in nature. These elements are non-radioactive except promethium. They all are radioactive in nature, and due to this reason their physical and chemical properties cannot be discussed. So this is all about your chapter number 8. We end chapter number 8 over here, or you can say that lanthanoids and actinoids यहाँ पे end हो रहा है. This is all about from my side. Thank you so much.